I have created this video to talk mainly about how traders hide their failures and brag about their success. You will always see that traders are, when they come either on television or let it be on news magazines, they are always saying they are successful and there is no failure. Traders always hide their failures and brag about their success. Talk to any trader, go through the social media, post, switch on the television, read the magazines or the paper or most books, and you will notice that everyone is claiming that they are making profits. If everyone is making profits, then who is losing the money? I myself get so many messages from various analysts and brokerages saying that they will give me short trading calls where I will be making 100% profits, huge profits, which will earn me fortunes and make me rich overnight. Do you think it is possible? Not only their messages, you will also see they are sending you trading stats showing great profits. If everyone is making profits, where is this money coming from? The calls they had given make so much money. Why are they not making the money for themselves? The calls they give, the stats they show, always say that they have earned so much money for all the people around, and those who are subscribers, they are making money. Those who are not subscribers, they are losing the money. Why do you think they are doing this? The main question is, what is the purpose? The purpose behind these SMSs, these stats, these television shows and everything. If you have been following the messages, you will notice that after a few days, the main purpose or intention of these technical gurus come to the surface, and then you will know why they are sending you calls. The main purpose which comes to light is that they either want you to subscribe to the daily calls to make profits for themselves, or they want you to open a trading account with their house so that they can earn commission from this. Only purpose and the only people always who stay in profit are people who are selling. The brokerages, the mutual fund houses, and they are the ones who are always making money, not the traders. If one has to earn money, the other has to lose. Somebody has to pay for the losses, for the profits one is making. In addition to selling subscriptions or opening an account for you, the other and giving trading calls for money, they are not at all concerned about your profits. And in addition to this, they will also teach you technical analysis. In today's world, everyone is a technical analyst. Ask them, they will be showing you the charts and the stats. No, I am not claiming that all are the same, but most of them who claim to give you huge profits are fakes, looking to make a few bucks out of your pockets. Nobody can be 100% correct in timing the markets or predicting them, but of course, you can ride the trend or use the volatility to make profits through your trading systems. There are good technical analysts, there are good guides, there are good masters, gurus who can teach you great trading, but always beware of the fake ones. They will only make money for themselves. If your win percentage is higher than the losing ones, then you will be in profits. Say for example, if you take 5 trades, if you are profiting from at least 3 of those trades, which comes to 60% profits, then you will be making profits. We should learn to cut our losses fast and carry our profits long. If you learn to cut your losses early and ride your profits long, then you will stay in profits and you will be making good profits. And the stock market has unlimited opportunities. You can make money to such extent that no other business can give you. The problem when we start trading is that either fear grips us or we get too greedy. We carry on our trades to get more and more profits, or we are in fear and we cut losses and do not wait for the proper stop losses. So always have proper stop losses for your trades. When you have proper stop losses and when you have correct targets, you are bound to make money. And if you fear grips you or you get greedy, you are bound to lose today. If not today, then you will lose tomorrow. So we need to be very disciplined. Traders always brag about their success and hide their failures. And mostly when they are coming to sell something, they will always show you the brighter side of the story and hide the failures because it is normal human nature to do this. So when you do business, always select the person or the company with caution. Use your common sense in selecting the people with whom you are tying yourself up and think in the long term, not in the short term. Always think of long term profits and not short term gains. I myself always select those who never shy away from expressing their weakness or disclosing their wrong traits or failures or even pointing out where I am wrong. That is the main thing you must notice when you are selecting with whom or whose guidance you are going to take. It is not necessary that they should disclose all details, but accepting failures is the first step to success. They can come and give you their success stories, but along that, the stories where they had gone wrong. Success is always a little farther away than it looks, and failures are a little closer than they appear. My intention is never to demotivate you, but the reason is to put across the point that success does not come easily. There is a great deal of hard work, discipline, patience behind the success in the stock markets. You need to work hard, keep learning from your mistakes, and stay disciplined. Have patience. Success will follow. In stock market, success does not stay forever, so you need to preserve what you make and lose as little as possible. By this, I mean to say always save your capital and save your profits. Many people fail after they have tasted success. The reality is that the markets are very harsh and a misstep will lead to fall, and we need to be very careful so that we do not make that mistake. It is always good to taste failure at the beginning of your trading careers because once you have tasted failure, you will learn from your mistakes, and if you do take the lesson, you are bound to succeed. On the other hand, if you are successful at the very beginning, it will lead to complacency, and one might start thinking nothing can go wrong. I am the god of the market, and this complacency will lead to our fall. By fall, I mean this leads to the doom of our trading careers. I have seen many traders getting wiped out of their capital, and it is as recent as 2008 and also 2020, the coronavirus or the COVID effect. The markets did not crash in the year 2020, but the steep correction that we saw kicked out many traders of the markets. And not only during the fall, even during the recovery, many people were kicked out. So people make losses when markets fall and also when markets rally because they are on the wrong side of the trades. Remember that it is easy to brag about success by showing charts of the market closes, but it is not easy for them to show us trades in live markets or give us exact calls on what is going to happen tomorrow. What I am saying is that it is easier to show winning trades in the middle of the charts than the right edge of the charts. So it is always suggested to paper trade your strategy or system before you jump into the real game. It is easier to point out the rights and the wrongs and also give suggestions after the battle is over. It is completely a different ball game making decisions in the middle of the battle rather taking decisions after the battle or before the battle. When you are in the middle of the battle, it is a different ball game. When you are in the live market, it is a different ball game. Keep records. Records is one of the most important aspect to your success. Always keep records of the trade starting from why you went long or went short. Short means sold into the market. Mark the point on the charts where you took the trades. Write down the reasoning. Note the exit. Mark the exit on the charts. Note the reason for exit and keep a follow-up on what happened after the exit and also your profits and losses. The records and the notes you keep will be your guide and reference for your future decisions and trades. And believe me, if you are able to do this, it will play a pivotal role in your success as a trader. Guys, thanks for listening out. That's all for today.